Hello everyone, welcome to the Kingston 21 kitchen. Today we have some overripe bananas, and generally we try not to let our produce go to waste. So today I'll be using these overripe bananas to make some banana bread. So welcome and enjoy this quick and easy and actually the best banana bread you will ever make if you stay tuned and watch this video. I'm so happy. The banana bread is done and it's literally falling out the baking pan. Look at that. You can tell when something is baked perfectly. It literally is falling out the pan. So I baked this at about 200 degrees for some time. I wasn't really checking on the time because of course I was preparing orders while this was baking, so I didn't fuss about it too much. I just checked it at about 30-40 minutes in, and I saw that it was firming up and browning, and I had to cover it with foil paper for some time, and I had to reduce the temperature as well. I reduced it to about 140 and I let it stay in the oven while I continued to prepare orders. I really wasn't checking what time. I would say about 40 minutes had passed, and when I knew it was done, you know, you would usually stick the center with something and see if it comes out dry or if it comes out wet. So you know it's done at that point. But I left it in the oven while we continued to operate and let it cool down, and it cooled down just enough so I could handle it, and I will go ahead and slice it up so you can see what it looks like. But you will be so happy with this recipe. Just look at this, literally falling out the pan, baked to perfection banana bread. So I finished slicing up the banana bread and just packaged it a bit. On the website we have a free item sort of promotion going where you can select from a number of items, one free item if you're new to our website. And the banana bread will go perfectly. We generally don't have dessert on our menu. Sometimes, depending on what we have in stock, we will prepare something, we'll send it to customers to taste and get feedback and so on to see if we should carry it. And I'm sure a lot of customers will be very happy to receive this little surprise token in their bag when they order from our website at kingston21.ae. And thank you so much for watching. And if you've made it to the end of the video, please subscribe, like the video, leave a comment, let us know if you will be trying this recipe.